So far we have done with a quantitative variable. Qualitative variable, when it comes to qualitative variable, again we do that influence on output only. The same thing it will come. Okay, the same thing it will come. Just one thing it will be changed, like qualitative variable it will be. Like instead of taking a feature from the discrete variable, I just say qualitative variables. Okay, one by one we take that column. We will use the group by, same thing, sales price, everything is same, and we do that. Now we can see qualitative variable. I think I made a mistake by saying quantitative, right? It should be qualitative. That's the reason it take a lot of time, because quantitative variables are a continuous data. That's the reason it taking a lot of time to plot them. You can see, okay, that a mistake we have done. Just interrupt, or yeah, uh, interrupt the kernel, and I say qualitative. Okay, I just give the qualitative, not quantitative. Now if I do, I'll get it quickly, because qualitative variable will not be having a much values, right? That's the reason. For example, we can check that, like ms zoning, when it comes, which is influencing more, like front value. Okay, when street came, like pave type of street will be preferred more compared to the gravel. Then when it comes to ally, like pave type only, like a lot shape, what kind of shape they are preferring. Okay, counter, like it gives the information, like which will be most influenced factor within that particular variable. Okay, that will be very important, like when you are going forward, like when you're predicting something. If someone has that quality, then their sales price will be different. Okay, then one who has a inside this lot, then configuration, then his sales price will be low, right? So sales price we can determine based on the kind of the things they are giving, right? The information they have, like the nature of the whole house will determine the sales price, that we can check here by using this particular influence analysis. When it comes to the qualitative also, we use the influence analysis. You can go through slowly, the interpretation will be same way, like which is the most influenced, which is the least influenced. Okay, we will be checking in for the each of the column. Around 38 columns we have. For each of the column you can check, and you can write a interpretation for each of the column. Okay, this is about a qualitative analysis. The next it comes the important one, that is nothing but a year. We had a 4 year column, like year column we had. On this, how to make an analysis, we will discuss in coming session.